Thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be taking a look at Automotive Development Group's project management. We're currently looking at a screenshot and we're going through the Builder Trend app to give you this sneak peek. You're currently looking at the main screen of the project files, and you can see these are all the projects that we've got under our software system, and we're going to be using this Picketttville project as an example today. So the first thing we do is we have this menu, and this is a cloud-based system, so it gives you access 24/7 to these files in this project. It's a great collaborative system that can be used for the design, construction team, as well as obviously the owners. Creates transparency and accountability. As we go through the document files, which is where we're going to spend the majority of our time today, you can see that this is where we keep, all of the main important documents, starting with the contacts file, where we keep a list of all the important contacts for the project so that communication can happen very quickly. Next is the drawing file. This is where we store the architect's drawings and also the Automotive Development Group equipment drawings. As you can see here, not only the PDFs, but DWG files and even Revit files for that matter. So there are those drawings. Next, we have the scheduling. Scheduling is extremely important, and the way that that goes together is first we have our duration schedule, and this is where we say it's going to take us X amount of days to install X number of pieces of equipment for this particular scope of work. We then blend that together with the general contractor schedule. As you can see, they're allowing certain days and weeks for particular areas of work. So we make all those things come together and then create our own internal Automotive Development Group schedule as well that we continually update. Next, we'll go to the equipment specifications, and this is where all the specifications for the equipment is stored. Again, you can see it's in order of types of equipment, which is easy for everyone to find. Air system, and here's your equipment. There's a nice drawing and everything, and then also electrical data, which is always great to have. So this is mainly for the design team, architects, and the engineering team as well. Next, we'll go to the standards. And for this, we're going to go to the main screen again, go into the standards, and then we'll show you the Automotive Development Group standards. This is a 162-page document that we have recorded, where we're recording all of our own internal standards that would apply to your project. And then we'll just kind of thumb through real quick. And as you can see, we have detailed drawings, and then we also pair those drawings with photos. These photos, as they say, a picture's worth 1,000 words. So that's why we have a lot of photos, and then you can see even details of ceramic tile to the lift edge. So full of standards like that. We also help owners, dealer groups develop their own sets of standards, which we would then include into that project document information. We'll go back to our project. Now we'll also take a look at the photos. Photos are where we're, again, chronologically storing photos of a particular scope of work from the very beginning all the way through to completion. And if we want to take it the lifts here, right, we can see that, here are the lift, all the pictures. The pictures are dated. Here's a in-ground lift with a concrete collar around it, that was done on December 27th, 2019, all the way to a project turnover picture here on June 11th. So you can see how important that might be in going back in time and looking at particular parts of the jobs. There is also a video part of this where you can see here is a slab pour for those in-ground lifts. We'll play a little bit of that. So as you can see, photos and videos are so important these days, and this can all be done from the field, not just with the internal team, but with the owners and the contractors as well. Next, we'll go back to that document page, and you can see our closeout documents. And this is where we're just collecting the data from whether it's a technician training day, like that, service manager walkthrough, just so many different things that equipment logs for all the different pieces of equipment. And you can see how powerful that's going to be as then we turn this into the owner's manual. So this is where you're getting the equipment specifications, warranty information for all of your equipment. We use Buildertrend to also manage our warranty process for all the equipment. So that's where the owner's manual will go. We'll also save that to a thumb drive and give that to the owner as well during the handoff. So as you can see, we have spent a lot of time putting and organizing this together so that you can feel comfortable and confident in Automotive Development Group managing your projects. Whether you're on site, you're at your office, or you're traveling somewhere in the country, you have 24 access to our projects and what's going on. We look forward to working with you on your next project and hope you're ready to experience the ADG difference.